The term IoT is used everywhere, but not everyone understands it the same. At TELE, we have a very clear picture of what IoT means to us and how we want to use it for our services. Starting with our products, IoT offers a significant extension of the product's benefits, its functionalities, and thus creates products that did not or could not exist in this way. This paves the way for completely new business models. Because today, we have existing reliable products for generating electrical values. But in the future, other relevant values such as position, temperature, or movement can also be recorded. So the products will be extended by a microprocessor which processes the generated data locally and triggers actions. This smart device will be connected to the internet. The results are almost unlimited, evaluations and processing as well as the connection to other web services. In this way, a variety of digital services can be provided for the respective use case. How does that look in practice? An electric motor operates a ventilation system in an office building. The IoT device measures the power consumption directly at the motor. These values are analyzed within the device. If a defined threshold is exceeded, an alarm is triggered locally, and the motor switches off. In addition, this information is transferred to the cloud and triggers another alarm via mail, SMS to the operator or service technician with fault information. However, it is subsequently more valuable to be able to intervene in advance before the motor needs to be switched off. Therefore, the IoT device measures and analyzes the values not only in the case of a fault, but also continuously transmits them, so that AI can predict when the engine will be switched off if the fault is not prevented. This means that a favorable time window for maintenance and prevention can be selected, and the ongoing operation of the ventilation system is ensured. We at TELE have already taken this path and are looking forward to input, exchange, requests, and joint projects. Join our journey and simply participate.